Make this hammock with some gauze or fine netting and 2 craft sticks, or you can use matchsticks. For this project, you will need 3-inch gauze, 2 2-inch craft sticks, floss or string, wire, craft glue, wire cutters, and round nose pliers. Cut a piece of the gauze 5 to 6 inches long. Put a line of craft glue along the edge of the gauze. Put something down to protect your work surface. Now make a little tuck on each end of the gauze by folding it in 1/2 inch and then back on itself about 1/4 inch. So fold it in and then back out. Make sure it's secured with the glue, and then add a little bit of extra glue on top of the tuck that you just made on each side. Now stick the craft stick down on top. If you don't have craft sticks like this, you can use match handles and just cut the top of the match off. Now flip it over, put a line of glue along the stick and the gauze, and place another stick on top to sandwich the gauze in between. Press it firmly into place. Now do the same thing on the other side of the gauze. Let the glue dry before continuing. Cut 2 pieces of your string or floss about 12 inches long each. Fold one of the pieces in half, and then with the loop in the middle, fold it around to form a knot, leaving about 1/4 inch loop. Do the same thing with the other piece of string. Now cut 2 pieces of your wire with the wire cutters, or you can use fingernail clippers for this part. Use the round nose pliers to make a hook on one end, and then with the other half turn almost a full loop. Just leave a little gap and then thread on one of the string loops and then close the wire loop. Then do the same thing with the other piece of wire. Form a hook on one end, create a loop at the other end, thread your string loop through, and close the wire loop. Now tie the end of each piece of string to the outside edge of the craft sticks. The important thing is to make sure that you get each side so that it is equal in length. And then when you do the other side of the hammock, make sure that that is also equal in length to the first one. Tie double knots so that the strings are secure. Put a little bit of glue on all 4 knots so that they stay securely tied, and then cut off the extra string. And you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more miniatures and other crafts. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one. If you'd like to make these pipe cleaner palm trees, I'll put the link in the description.